We are going to learn about the special contract on contract of guarantee. Contract of guarantee is also known as contract of surety, which is covered under section 126 of Indian Contract Act 1872. It says that a contract to perform or discharge the liability of third party in case of his default. That means over here someone is promising that if the third party is not in a position to pay the liability, he will pay from his pocket. This is called as contract of guarantee. For example, Mr. A wants to take a loan from Mr. B and Mr. B is asking him to give some guarantee. Mr. A is approaching Mr. C and asking him, can you be my surety or guarantor so that I can take a loan? C is saying, yes, I am promising to Mr. B that in case if you are not in a position to pay back your loan, I will make the payment. This is called as contract of guarantee or contract of surety. Contract of guarantee or contract of surety have to satisfy certain essential conditions. The first essential condition is three parties. Every contract of guarantee must have three parties. These three parties are principal debtor, creditor, and the surety. Principal debtor is a person who is taking the loan, creditor is a person who is granting the loan, and surety is a person who is giving the guarantee that in case if principal debtor does not pay the money, he will make the payment. The another essential condition is entering into an agreement. All the parties must have to enter into the agreement. Agreement means offer and acceptance. All the parties have to give the valid offer and have to give the acceptance to the valid offers. Then number of agreements. As far as contract of guarantee is concerned, there are three number of agreements which are taking place. The first agreement is taking place between principal debtor and creditor. The another agreement is taking place between principal debtor and surety, and the third agreement is taking place between creditor and surety. So there are total three number of agreements which are taking place in case of contract of guarantee. The next essential condition is consideration. Consideration means something in return or the benefits. In the case of contract of guarantee, there are three parties. First party is principal debtor who is going to get the loan, so his work is getting done, so he is getting benefit. The second party is creditor who is granting the loan and he is getting interest on the loan amount which he is given. And the third party is surety. As far as third party is concerned, section 126 says that it is assumed that surety is also going to get direct or indirect consideration out of it. So we can say that all three parties are getting benefit. The another essential condition is liability. There are two types of liabilities which are there in case of contract of guarantee. The first liability is primary liability, which is lying on the shoulder of debtor who has to make a payment. If he is not making the payment in time, then only the secondary liability will arise, that is on the shoulders of surety. So there are two types of liability, primary and secondary. Primary liability is for principal debtor and secondary liability is for the surety or the guarantor. Assent means all the parties must have the valid acceptance for whatever conditions have been mentioned in the contract of guarantee. Afterwards, no party is having the authority to go back from their words. That is assent or acceptance. Surety's separate promise. Surety must have a separate promise to the creditor that in case if the debtor is not in a position to pay back the liability, he will make the payment. That is called as surety's separate promise. And apart from these seven conditions, the last condition is satisfy the essentials. That means whatever essential conditions are mentioned for a valid agreement to become a contract, all 10 essential conditions are applicable even for contract of guarantee. This entire thing is called as contract of guarantee. Now let's have a look on what we have understood from the topic. Under which section the contract of guarantee is covered? It is section 126, which is explaining about contract of guarantee. How many parties are there in contract of guarantee? Of course, there are three parties. One is principal debtor, second is creditor, and third one is guarantor. Who has to pay the primary liability? Of course, it is a principal debtor who has to pay the primary liability, because secondary liability is on the shoulder of creditor. I hope you have understood this topic. We will discuss more in our future lectures. Thank you.